Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the new terminal of Abu Dhabi Airport. The new terminal is very beautiful and it was opened last month. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to the channel. Now let's go to the immigration and security check. After the immigration check, we need to go to the security check. There I haven't recorded any video. The immigration will be pretty smooth over here. Now let's go and collect our baggage. I have collected my baggage. Now let's go out of the airport. If you enjoyed watching the video, please do subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Hit the like button, comment down if you have any doubts, and share this video with your family and friends. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.